Okay, today, now we're going to talk about adding, subtracting polynomials still. We're going to discuss this in terms of evaluating a function. Now, when you see f parentheses x, it doesn't mean f times x. It's f as a name, p or whatever. F as function f of x. Okay, we have here function named p of x. Now, the first example, we have p of 0, meaning wherever you see an x, replace it with 0. Now, where you see parentheses, I will put 0 in there. We would say p of 0 equals 7. All right. Now, the second example, we have p of 2. So again, wherever you see an x, replace it with 2. Now, if my arithmetic is correct, p of 2 equals 75. All right. Now here you see 5 times 1 to the negative 4 is really 5 times 1. That's 5. Now, minus 3 times negative 1 squared is really 3 times 1. And then 7. Once you add them up, it equals 9. Now we have a real-life application. Now this is the largest natural bridge, not man-made. It was made through years of erosion from water or whatever, and it became this bridge you see here in the picture. Now, if I were standing on top of the bridge, the top of the arch, and from the top to the bottom to the floor, you would say it's 290 feet from the top to the bottom. All right. Now, the question is what? If you know physics, you may say, okay, well, physics, you have wind that affects things in time, but right now we're ignoring all the laws of physics. We assume no air resistance whatsoever. If I'm standing at the top of this bridge and I drop something, as it falls, is there position, and we can graph that with a function. At time t seconds. So that gives me the position as this object is falling. Where is it in the air? As measured as the height from the ground. Now, so we have minus 16t squared. It's not 16t squared, it's negative 16 squared plus 290. Because we start at the top. When we're looking down from the top, we drop something, and then you can time it. Now, at time 0, we haven't even dropped it yet. So, the negative 16 times 0 becomes 0. What's left is 290. So, now at time t's 2 seconds, t equals 2, where is this object that's falling? So from 290, the object is going down. We should expect a lower number, not higher than 290. No. We should expect an answer below 290 because it's falling down. It's losing height. If I get an answer bigger than 290, it should be a red flag. It means I threw it up in the air. I didn't throw it up in the air. So be careful on the answers you see and what you expect. Now, 290 subtract 64. I'll do the work on the side. You can use a calculator if you'd like to or not, or you can work on the side. So that's the answer, and it makes sense. After 2 seconds, the object has been falling, and right now it's at 226 feet. Thank you for your attention, and see you next vlog.